So we're going to do the quadratus lumborum. Quadratus lumborum, remember, goes from the iliac crest, which is up through here. I'm going to do some little pen work on Nicole here. There's the iliac crest, and then here's the 12th rib. Comes down this way, and here would be the spine. So in this section through here, the quadratus, which is a quad-shaped muscle, lumborum, is in this way. The fibers go here and here. Its job is to either bring the pelvis up to the ribs or the ribs down to the pelvis, depending on which way you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you a couple releases for the quadratus lumborum and then some stretches for it as well. So I'll do that in just a second. So here we go. This is L5. There's 4, 3, 2, 1, and T12. T12 is the last rib. So there's our basic anatomy for this one, and then we'll do some. So here we are again with the quadratus lumborum. We're going to do the first stretch. The quadratus lumborum, remember, goes from the iliac crest up through here, down through up through the 12th rib on this side. It is quad shaped. That gives it its name. Lumborum is for lumbar. That's the area of the spine. So to stretch this muscle, we either have to bring this further away or this further away, and there's a couple ways to do it. I'm going to show you one right now. So number one is simply to put this leg over the top of this leg. There's our first stretch, and then roll away. You should feel, do you feel a little bit of stretch through here?
Yep.
Okay, so we cross like this is the right side, so we're going to cross the right leg over left, and then act like you're going to roll over, but keeping the upper body on the table. Just like we're rolling over, we'll feel a little bit of a stretch on the outside. That's number one. Number two is going to be either, how am I going to do that one? Is going to be, we can do an assisted release, which is pushing here with the heel of the hand. We're pushing with the heel of the hand this way, away from the spine, and then grabbing the pelvis on the same side and pulling towards. Do you feel that stretch?
Yes.
And we'll hold the stretches for about 10 seconds like we do. So it's not just straight down, it's also down and across. Do you feel that stretch a little bit?
Yes.
That way? And what we're also doing is we're getting some rotation out of the spine. We're going to go up to the sections from L5, L3, L1 basically. L5 heading down towards the pelvis, down through here, holding this up towards me, leaning in and just crossing away this way. L5, L3, straight out and through, and then L1 more towards up the body. Occasionally you'll get pops in through these areas, which is kind of cool because once you get the pops, that means it'll open up some of the other muscles, the deeper muscles in there. The final here again, the quadratus lumborum is up through this section here, and so if you take your hands here and move them over to this side, and really stretch this way, and then lean towards here, we should feel more of a stretch in there. Do you feel that too?
Yep.
Okay, so we'll show that one a little bit different. I'll do a diagram for that one. That's the child's pose, where we just do a prayer pose and then go from basically if noon or 12 o'clock is here, this is a 1 o'clock position, and then on to 2 o'clock, etc. So there you go. There's the quadratus lumborum release. That's the quick and easy one to do, and we're going to do some more later on. And there we go. Thanks.